What I've got my hands on here is the Unipit Vortex Series 450. It's not actually 450 by 450. The 450 by 450 is this bit down here. At the top, it's 567 by 567. So you can get a massive water in here, and this is commercial grade. If you've got a larger residential area, it's still perfect to use, say around your sheds or your areas that are more industrial, even though it's residential. And on a commercial site, it's as strong as it gets. Now, the benefit of this compared to concrete is it's wafer light, but still really strong. Now, the reason why they call it Vortex is because it's got these lines in the bottom, so no water is going to sit at the bottom of a traditional pit, meaning the water moves and gets away really fast, so you don't end up with still water after rain, which leads to mozzies laying eggs and ruining our summer's nights. Now, it's got a vertical drop underneath it, so you can put your stormwater pipe at any height you like, and when you're finishing off your landscaping, you simply cut it to height and then you slide this over the sleeve. See this blue lining? It means it gets better connectivity with plumber's glue, and you get a 150 stormwater in there. Now when it comes to grates, you can get grade A and grade B, and they're all made out of gal. Now this one, nice open space, perfect for a driveway, lots of water can get through those spaces quickly. But anywhere where you might have pedestrians, I'd recommend you use one of these. Now this one is anti-slip. The water still gets through the gaps, but people aren't going to slip on it. There's also another one which is just heel safe, and they work really well in a spot where people are going to be walking on it. For more information or where you can get your hands on it, all that is on our website. So check it out, and best of luck with your drainage solutions.